How to check Discord password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Discord password on Android. It's super simple and quick, so without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to walk you through two ways to find it. So first up, let's open the Discord app. So simply go ahead and tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on account. And now if I tap on password, it won't show my current password directly in the app. However, there are other ways to access it. To do that, simply let's go back, and from there you can simply scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can simply tap on logout option, and you can confirm by tapping on logout again. And once you are logged out, let's log back in. Now here, if you tap on the email address, you will get the autofill option for your password and email. And right next to the password field, you can see the eye icon. Just tap on it to reveal the password. Now the another option is if you use Google Chrome a lot, let's open a Google Chrome, and in the search bar simply type myaccount.google.com and simply press enter. And from here you can swipe over to the security tab and then scroll down a bit to find the option labeled password manager. This is where you can see all your saved password including Discord. So simply tap on it and you will be able to view, copy and paste your saved password. And if you don't find it saved anywhere, the next step is to use the forget password option, and they will send you a recovery code via email or text so you can reset it to something new. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.